Hello, I just wanted to let you know that the Contextual Web Search API has changed recently. If you go to their website, you will see that they don't no longer advertise their services as completely free. Here it was that the API is completely free. It is no longer fully free, but still they have a free plan, but starting from now they will limit to 10,000 requests per month. If you go further, you will have to pay extra. So you have to subscribe to this basic plan. Also, credit card information is required to allow you to subscribe to this plan. So this is the situation right now, but to help on this, I enabled the plugin to use multiple API keys. So you can enter, starting from the latest update to the plugin, a comma-separated list of API keys. So you can enter uh, an API key, comma, different API key. Yeah, this is an example. Comma, a different API key, comma, a different API key, and so on. So you can enter as many as you wish, and the plugin will try to use all of them, and like this you will have more requests than 10,000 per month. So you have to create another account, copy the API key from it, and so on. So you can use here multiple API keys. Okay, so yeah, let's this is the change that happened recently. And also, after you create the plan, you have to subscribe to this basic zero monthly plan, or the other plans if you require more API calls. Here, for example, you have 1 million API calls for $279 monthly, and a little bit less per extra API call. Okay, so the basic thing I wanted to show you that is that you can use a comma separated list of API keys starting from this change. And also don't forget to activate your plan for each account you create. Okay, so this is all for now. I hope you will enjoy the plugin. Also, don't forget that the plugin has now the voice search. Let me demonstrate this to you. Test. Yeah. Okay, so this is all. Until next time, bye bye.